Ready to see some magic? Let's get printing. First, we need to select our file. Since we have already sent the design to the printer through Straumann Access, we just need to open the job queue and choose the one we want to print. It's as simple as that. After that, it's already time to load the capsule. What is great is that each case contains 3 capsules, so I can print a full capacity right away if I need it. First, the printer is going to ask you to scan this QR code in here. This starts the print and confirms the material is not expired. Simple, right? Then you just need to prepare the capsule and load it up.